Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get terminated Roblox account back. So all you need to do is you have to go to this site, appeal a Roblox account termination. You have to click this one right here, the first link that you can see, and then it will take you directly to another page. And what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and then look or tap on this violations and appeal. Now it will take you directly to this page where you need to enter some information. So it will take you to contact us. All you need to do is to provide the details that they need, email, first name, last name, and then here you have to simply select PC, Chromebook, everything is up to you. Now this one is moderation. You have to look for moderation, subcategory, click this one right here. And then here you can copy the message that I'm going to use. For example, hello Roblox support team. I recently received notice that my Roblox account you can add your username has been terminated. I would like to kindly appeal this decision. I understand that Roblox has strict rules and community standards, and I always strive to follow them. If my account was terminated due to a misunderstanding or mistake, I respectfully ask for a review of the case. If I unknowingly violated any rules, I sincerely apologize and assure you that it was not intentional and so on. After the tap on continue or submit and then wait for their response. And basically, this is the way on how to get terminated Roblox account back. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.